Hey guys, this right here will be over Ray Dalio's all-weather portfolio, part one. How do I build a all-weather portfolio? Vanguard VTI. So we're gonna cover. This is from the article from Ray Tran, from Tony Tran. And in this right here, we're going to literally just cover one section of how do I build an all-weather portfolio. We're talking about the 30% Vanguard total stock market ETF, the VTI. That's the ticker symbol. So I went to Yahoo Finance to do the research. It's a credible source. And you can see that one of the just for one share is going to be $168.71 as of now. The markets are closed because it is Saturday. That's USD, $168. So what you'll do is you see this little bar, you can go and you can scroll all the way through to find out more information on this ETF, but we're going to go to holdings. So overall, there's 99.39% stock in it. And there is different sectors. Here's a sector weight. So there's different things. Different sectors are inside of this. So there's sectors like basic materials, consumer cyclical, financial services, and on down the list, right? There's a lot of these. And they have a breakdown of their percentages on the right. There's equity holdings. So you're going to have your price to earnings. We normally call that PE. Then you have price of book, price of sales, cash flow, the bond rating, which everything is zero. Okay, this is what I wanted to cover. So these are the top 10 holdings that make up 18.73% of the total assets of the Vanguard VTI fund. So we have some very good names in here. The first name will be the company's name. The second one in the middle is going to be the symbol. We call it the ticker symbol. And off to the right, that's going to be the asset. So that's going to be how much of the total VTI fund is inside is this asset. So, for example, Microsoft Corp, ticker symbol MSFT, they have 3.76% of Microsoft inside of this fund totally, right? So I hope that makes sense. Next will be Apple, Amazon. We have Facebook. We have Berkshire Hathaway, JP Morgan Chase and Co. Alphabet A shares, Alphabet C shares, Johnson and Johnson, and we have last but not least is going to be Visa, Class A shares. So that kind of gives you a breakdown of the top holdings in here. Leave me a like, subscribe, comment on this if you have any questions on this VTI fund. Does anybody know what the other percentages, percentages of what else is in here? So does anybody else know that? Let me know. Talk to you later. Thanks.